All right, today we're going to talk about brushes, right? You have your wire brush on a die grinder, and you can use it for a lot of things, to clean a lot of different things. But sometimes, we need to find other ways to clean things. And one thing that I started using is this on, not, of course, the Milwaukee drill, but this wire brush right here. It does pretty good, and it fills the gap. Okay, I mean, like everything else, thinking outside the box. And I wanted something to help clean, but yet not be so like coarse that like these, they'll gouge plastic and paints. And, you don't want that. Customers get mad when you scrape up their paint. It's funny, they get mad over rusted up junk. If you remove the paint, never mind that 50% of it is rusted, but that 150% that wasn't like that before. So anyway, these brushes right here, I like them. They're made by a company called DRILLSTUFF. They're on Amazon, and they have different ones, right? They have different bristles, for cleaning, different surfaces. And I got the set here. We got the yellow, and we got the red and the green. And so it's like everything else, right? It's just another, might be for some, might not be for others, might be for certain situations. Big trucks, they have a plate on top of on the floor of the cab that holds the screws that you got to remove to get the shifter out. And I like to use the red one for those covers, because I go around it and it loosens up a lot of the dirt, and then I blow it out. And it just, I don't know, I thought I'd share drill stuff. It goes on the end of a drill, and it's just one of those things, just a different avenue, something different, thinking outside the box. I thought I'd share, and thank you for watching. Really appreciate it, and we'll try to keep them coming, but I'm probably about to get really busy, so I probably won't make no videos possibly for a few weeks. We'll see you.